Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 3rd, addition and subtraction. Okay, so first of all, we will learn to add. Addition we will learn now. First of all, we can add for one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, four digit number. So here we will study about four digit number, five digit number, as well as six digit number for to add. Okay, so how to add? Okay, how to add the ones, add the tens, add the hundred, and add the thousand, and so on. It means here is, first of all, you can write the place value. Suppose here is the ones, here is the tens, okay, here is the hundred, and here is the thousand. Okay, so this is the place value of all thousand, hundred, and all. Suppose number here is given 8, suppose here is 3, here is 4, and here is 2, and like this 5, 6, 8, and 7. This is the number given, and you have to add. So how you will add? To add any number, any numbers, when you will add, first of all you have to start from the ones. You have to start from the ones. Got it? You have to start from the ones. And always when you write two numbers, suppose 3, 2, 5, add 6, 0, 2, 602, when you have to write the number for the adding, always ones place and ones place will come in the straight state, like a 5 and suppose 3 to 5. First we write the number 3 to 5, 325. And when we write 602, this 2 first we write here, then this 0 we write here, then this 6 we write here. Means always we start from the ones, then tens, hundred, and thousand. So likewise we have to write down. Okay, in this in the same line we have to write the ones number, in the other line all the numbers of the tens, all the then next all the numbers of all the digits of the hundred. Likewise all the digits we will write according to the place values. So here we will add 8 plus 7, what is that? 15. So not write 15, we write 5, and carry we write here. 8 plus 3, again what will be 8 plus 3? 11. 11 plus 1, this carry, that is 12, carry 1, right here. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, carry 1 is there, so that is 8. What is the answer? 8125. I hope you understand how to write and add. Okay, so now we will solve some question from the, that is from your exercise 3a. Got it? So exercise 3a, we will now solve exercise 3a. Okay, so here is the first question, number 2. I am going to solve. Number 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 7, 6, and I want to add it. Got it? So first of all, 6 plus 4, 10. So I will write here 0, and this 1 I will write in the form of carry. 7 plus 3, 10, and plus this carry 1, 11. So I will write here 1, and again I put the carry here. 2 plus 1, 3, this carry 4. So I write here 4. No carry is there, so I write nothing here. So 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, so what is the answer? 7410. Got it? One more question we will solve. Number 6. We will solve question number 6 from same exercise 3a. Number 6 is 1, 6, 2, 0, 1, 3, 8, 9, and there is 7, 0, 0. See here is nothing is there, so you can write 0 here, no problem. 0 means nothing, that place is free, that place is vacant. And now we have to add. So now one by one, so add it. 9 plus 0, 0, it will be 9. 8 plus 2, 10, so write 0, carry 1 here. 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, plus 7, 17, carry 1, 1, 1, 2 plus carry 1 is there, carry is also here 1, so it is 3. Got it? Okay, one more question we will solve. Question number, just we will solve question number 14. Okay, from the same exercise we will solve question number 14. 7,896 visited an amusement park on Monday. So Monday, how many person come? On Monday there came 6,000. Sorry, on 7,896 person came. Okay, on Tuesday, how many? 6,293. Okay, so Wednesday 5,429, and on Thursday came 8,900. 8,938. Got it? 8,938. So all they are in question asking, these are the days, in the different day visitors come to visit that park. So we have to find out all together, means within these 4 days how many people come to this park. So we will add it now. 6 plus 3, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 8, it is 26. So I write 6, carry 2, that is your carry 2 is here. Sorry, your carry is 2 is here. Okay, now 9 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3, and this carry you will add, you will get, okay, 25 you will get. So write 5, carry is again 2, 8, 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 you will add, you will get again 25. So write here 5, and carry is 2, 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8, you will get 28. So your this many people come. So how many people come for in the park in these 4 days? 28,556 people visited. Got it? Okay, so next one more we will solve question from exercise 3b. Okay, 3b, question number 12 we will solve. Question number 12, exercise 3b. Okay, question number 12 we will solve, which is 50,936, then 1 6 2 6 7 5. Two 9 0 8 6 9. Next is your 4 0 7 3 8 9. This all numbers we have to add now. Okay, so we will add. How we will add? Here is nothing, you just write 0, no problem, because it is same. Got it? Now we will add it. So you all can add. You will 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9, you will get 29. So you write 9, carry will be 2 here. Here will be, this side will be carry. Here will be carry 2. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8, you will add, you will get 26. Write 6, carry 2 here. 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3, again you will get 28. So write here 2 plus 2 plus 7, okay, you will 11, you will get, write 1, carry 1 here. 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0, you will get 21. Write 1, carry is 2, then 2 will come here. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 9. So that is your answer. Got it? After adding you will get this. Understood? Okay, now next we will solve exercise 3c. Exercise 3c we will solve. Okay, so first question we are solving from exercise 3c, that is total Mr. Sharma earned 57,390 last year. This year he earned 79,860. What is his total earning in both year? Means दोनों साल में मिलकर उसने कितना रुपया कमाया? What is the total earning? So what will be the total earning? Total earning. So what will be the total earning? So we can add the earning of the both year, last year and this year. So what was that? Rupees last year 390, and here is 79,860, and all we will add it. So you can add 0, 9 plus 6 15, carry 1, 8 plus 3 11, plus 1 12, carry 2, carry 1, 9 plus 7 16, plus 1 17, 7 carry 1, 7 plus 5 12, plus 1 carry is there 13. So what is the answer? So he is earning in both together 1,37,250. This is the earning of Mr. Sharma. Got it? This is your answer. Next question we will solve. Question number 5 we will solve from the same exercise 3C. Question number 5. Question number 5. In an election, 52,729 votes were found valid, 4,918 votes were found invalid, and 3,945% did not come to vote. How many voters were registered? Means total vote, valid vote, invalid vote, and not come. Means all these things we will add, and then we can know what is the total number of registered voters. So we can get total registered voter. Okay, we can get total registered voter. So total registered voter is, so how many voted? 52,729. okay, valid was 4,918, and also not came 3,945. This is all about for the voting cast. So here is nothing, you can just write 0 because it will be easy. 9 plus 8 plus 5 22, you will write 2, carries 2, 2 to 4 plus 1 plus 4, you will get 9. Okay, 9 9 18 plus 7, that is 25. 9 9 18 plus 7, that is your 25. Right here 25, carry 2 here, 2 to 4 plus 4 8, plus 3 11, carry 1 again, 5 plus 1, that is 6. So how many total registered voter is there? 61,592. Got it? Okay. Now number 6 we will solve from the same exercise number 6. Okay, number 6, the difference of two numbers is 78,360. If the smaller number is 95,078, find the larger number. So this question I will solve in different way. Just try to understand first. Okay, so first try to understand two numbers. When we subtract, there are two numbers. Suppose A is there and another number is B, and we will get some answer. Got it? Suppose first number is A, second number is B. When we subtract, we will get the answer. In this, the difference of two number is given. Means this, after subtracting, what number will come, that is given. That is your 78,360. Okay, but what is another thing? A smaller number. Of course, we are subtracting B in the A, so of course this B will be the smaller number. This is given. This is given your 78,000. Sorry. This is given 95,078, and this is not given. and we can subtract, and we have to get 78,316. Okay, so now how we will solve this? You can just simply, when we will find this type of question, and here is the a and the numbers are there, here is you can see there, here is the minus. When you move this side means we will bring to the right side. So what will happen, this minus will go when the right side, it will become plus. So this a will equals to, simply you can add these two numbers, because here you can see here the minus, you can add with this, so you can do this 78,316 and 95,078, and you can add it. Okay, so how you will add? You can add 6 plus 4 14, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 and 9, here is 3, here you will get 3 again, and here will be 70. Okay, so you can put the comma. So what is the larger number? Your larger number is 1,73,394. Hope you understand. So your homework, you can solve from chapter 3, exercise 3a, 3b and 3c. Thank you.